In this tutorial I will show how to change the notification sounds on Instagram app. First, open up the Settings app on your phone. Tap on Apps. Here scroll down and find Instagram app. In the Instagram settings, tap on Notifications. Tap on Notifications categories. Now tap on Instagram Direct. Here you can change the notification sound for direct messages on Instagram. Tap Sound. You can now choose from different sounds. If you go back, you can also change the sound for other notifications. That is how you can change notification sounds on Instagram.